Hello and welcome again. In today's lecture, we'll discuss about the SIP-to-SIP call flow using the proxy server. Let's say we have two SIP phones having IP address 192.168.0.10 and 192.168.0.2, and its dial number for A is 2345 and for B is 1123. A proxy server is present in between A and B, which having IP address 10.10.0.23. Let's assume both A and B are registered with the proxy server and store their address into the database of the proxy server. Now, proxy server know both the address of both A and B. Now, A dial the B party. So, the dialing pattern to the B is now number, which is 1123, which is the B party number, and the IP address. The IP address is now 10.10.0.23. So after dial the number, A send invite request to the proxy server. Proxy server receive this invite request and check this IP address to verify whether this IP address belongs to him or any other devices. After checking this IP address and confirm that this invite request is belong to him, it immediately send 100 trying response to the A. Based on the dial number, proxy server verify on its database which IP address is matched with this particular dial number. After getting the IP address that is associated with that number, the proxy server forward this invite request to the B party. Now B party receive this invite request and send 100 trying response to the proxy server. After that, B phone is started ringing and send 180 ringing to the proxy server. Now proxy server forward this 180 ringing to the A. When the phone B received the call, it immediately send 200 OK response to the proxy server. Now proxy server send this 200 OK to the A party. Now here, when the B party received this invite request, it know what is the IP address of the A, what is the current IP address of the A. Before that, the A party does not know what is the current IP address of the B, and B also does not know what is the current IP address of the A. So they route the call through the proxy server. When the B party receive this invite request, so from the header field, it know what is the IP address of the A. Similarly, when the A party received 200 OK response from the B, by searching the header field section, the A get to know that what is the IP address of the B party. Now both the A party and the B party know each other's IP address. So there is no need to go through the proxy server. So the A directly send acknowledgement to the B party. Now their conversation is started directly between the A and B. Once their conversation is over, either A party or the B party can terminate the session. Whosoever is terminated the session, it sent directly to the other party. Here A is sending directly to the B party, and B sent 200 OK for successful termination of the buy. So this is about the basic SIP-to-SIP call flow through the proxy server. I hope you got some idea about the SIP-to-SIP call flow using the proxy server. So that's it in this video. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching the video.